Hey guys, so there's an article out and Hara posted good article and the article is stating a over $4 Jasmy coin and I want to break that down today and let you know, is that actually true or what is he pointing out that's actually good about the article? Because let's just look at it. Now, I want to believe that this is what he's talking about, the 2025 roadmap. Okay. And the biggest things you want to look at here is a launch of a decentralized exchange aiming to enhance liquidity and accessibility for Jasmy token holders, strengthening the blockchain infrastructure to support broader adoption, staking features. So, this is pretty cool. You could stake your crypto. If you lock up your Jasmy tokens, you'll get rewarded for it. And Junction token economy, a full-scale initiative to expand the utility of Jasmy through various measures. So let's look at this price target that we're talking about. So I don't know if Hara is pointing to this person, crypto analyst Javon Marks, it looks like. He is stating that Jasmy is going to go up 25,000% to $4.47. That's a 253x from today's prices. No, it's not going to happen this cycle. That would be like a $200 billion market cap. I don't know what some of these people think, like why they post stuff like this with these ridiculous price targets, but I'm assuming that this is not what Hara is saying is good about the article. But I may be wrong. Maybe Jasmy does get up that high, but I'll tell you right now, I would be selling way before that happens. Jasmy's very undervalued right now. I don't think it's going to go over $4 though this cycle. You could read this if you want. This person shares their chart and some notes on it. But let's look at a more conservative price target. And I've obviously given you guys my price target, and if you've been following me, I appreciate you dropping a like, drop likes on these videos. Truly appreciate that. Make sure you drop a like on this one and subscribe to the channel. But they say Mark's prediction is headline grabbing, right? So maybe they're just trying to get views and impressions and things like that. Other analysts offer a more tempered view. According to that person, Jasmy is projected to average about 2.5 cents in 2025. We're going higher than 2.5 cents with a maximum of 0.018 by December. So that doesn't even make sense. Like they're saying the max price is going to be under 2 pennies, but then projected to have an average of 2.5 cents. Maybe we settle back down there after we pump, but this is going much higher, at least 4 cents. I'm really thinking 8 to 9 cents. Looking further ahead, they say 13 cents by 2030. No. And then 27 cents by 2032. So people are just throwing stuff out there. All right, guys, it's that time again. The last time I made a video like this was back in November of 2024, and I showed you exactly how to set up your charts just like mine, and what are some indicators to use to start to buy stocks and crypto. In this video, posted right here, it's in the shop right now, I go over exactly how to exit the markets because I do think it's time to lock in and really start to think about selling your crypto very soon and also your stocks very soon. So in this video, I break down the daily and the weekly time frame, and I go over exactly what you guys need to lock in on with the RSI, the stochastic, and the MACD. I walk you through exactly what has happened before and what's going to happen again, and it tells you exactly when to sell and when to scale out of your cryptos. If you lock in on these three indicators and you lock in on the daily and the weekly time frame like I tell you to do in this video, you're gonna win. So right now it's $34.99. It's a 30-minute video. I'm also taking care of the Apple fee that Patreon charges you 30% or some stupid stuff like that. So I'm gonna pay for that myself. I'm only gonna keep it this price for 3 days. So if you wanna get in, make sure you do it today, tomorrow, or the next day, because then I'm gonna jump it up to 55 bucks. All right, this is the most detailed video I've ever made. And if you follow exactly what I'm telling you to do in the videos, you will make max profit with your investment with crypto and stocks. Of course, if you have any questions at all, feel free to message me and I'll try to get back to you today. Now, I do really feel good about Jasmy. I do think it's undervalued right now, like I'm stating, but I think it's smart, guys, to have your investments in crypto related things like stocks like this. SoFi wants to introduce crypto on their platform. We talk a lot about different stocks and crypto, of course, but Jasmy has a bright future. I just think crypto is going to do very well over the next several months. And I hope you guys are locked in and you're understanding exactly what I talk about on these videos every single day. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all my own opinion. I always recommend you do more research. Go ahead, read that article. It's all over social media. Do more digging on this, especially if you're investing your own money into a crypto like this. But again, I'm going to stick with my game plan. It's taken me this far so far. I'm not going to really look at other people's posts. A lot of people do that just to honestly get views. At the end of the day, they want you to get all excited. And just imagine, like, if you think Jasmy's going to $4, if you have a million Jasmy coin, that means you're going to make $4 million. $4 isn't happening, guys.